We will discuss differentiation of implicit function. In previous lecture, we have find the differences of inverse trigonometric function. In this now we discuss the differentiation of implicit function. First time defined implicit function. If any functions या any given functions is called implicit functions, where it is not clear x or y are dependent or independent variables. ऐसा कोई भी फंक्शंस गिवन हो जिसमें ये क्लियर न किया जाए कि x डिपेंडेंट है और y, that functions is called implicit functions. For example, standard equation of conics is known as implicit functions. Here x square plus y square is equal to a square is known as implicit function. X square plus y square is equal to a square is known as implicit functions. Here not clear x depend y या y depend x. That equation is known as implicit functions. And x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is also known as implicit functions. Here implicit function. Now we discuss the differentiation of implicit functions with respect to x. The same process of previous differentiation of implicit apply previous differentiation rule on the given functions. In the case of implicit function, the differentiate same rule of y, and multiplied by dx of y. That is, in case of implicit function, when the differentiation with respect to x, here the differentiation of y using the standard result of differentiations and multiplied in dx of y. जब भी हम लोग y का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, y जिस रूप का फंक्शन बनाता रहेगा उसी फार्मूले से हम लोग y का डिफरेंशिएशन कर देंगे और डिफरेंशिएशन करने के जस्ट बाद हमेशा उसमें dx of y को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, dy upon dx को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. बट ओनली वन पॉइंट आर नोटेड आल्सो. इफ y differentiate with respect to x, then also multiplied by dx of y. हमेशा याद रखिए जब भी हम लोग इम्प्लिक्ट फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन कहीं करेंगे तो उसमें जब भी y का डिफरेंशिएशन किया जाएगा तो जिस रूप का y फंक्शन हो, जिस टाइप का फंक्शन y हो, उसको उसी रूप से उसी फार्मूले से डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे y को एंड dx ऑफ y का हमेशा उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड सॉल्विंग दैट स्टेप एंड find the value of dx of y is called differentiation of implicit functions. Now discuss the differentiation of implicit function. Some examples. Question number 1. Find dx of y of x square plus y square is equal to a square. Solution. Given that x square plus y square is equal to a square, differentiating it with respect to x, begin. by the formula of x power n, x square 2x plus 2y into dx of y. A square will be separate portion, hence differential will be 0. For example, differentiation of x square is 2x, y square 2y, but that function is our implicit, hence differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2 square 2y and also multiplied by dx of y. Then 2 will be common, x plus y into dx of y is equal to 0, or imply that divided by 2, x plus y into dy upon dx equal to 0. Solving this, y into dx of y equal to minus x and dx of y equal to minus x upon y. That's all. Here सेम प्रोसेस, जब भी आपको कहीं भी इम्प्लिक फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन करना है तो फर्स्ट टाइम जिस टाइप का डिफरेंस रूल अप्लाई हो रहा है, फंक्शन अपडेट कर रहा है, उसी टाइप के फार्मूले को हम लोग अपडेट करेंगे एंड डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे और y वाले में हमेशा dx ऑफ y का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, differentiate या फाइंड इक्वेशन, फाइंड dx of y of x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. Solution, given that x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. Differentiating it with respect to x both side, the differentiation of x cube is known as 3x square plus differentiation of y cube 3y square, but always multiply by dx of y. dx of y is equal to 3 will be common and operating the differentiation of x into y by product of two functions. First function is known as x and y is known as second function. So first function x, differentiation of y, differentiation of y same condition, differentiation of x is 1, same condition, differentiation of y is 1, but also multiplied by dy upon dx. So x into dy upon dx, here we can write 1 into dx of y because the differentiation of y is 1. The same rule of implied function also multiplied by dx of y, but we can written as in the form not 1. Same conditions, dx of y plus second function y into differentiation of x is 1. Solving these, we get first 3 will be common, will be cancelled out, x square plus y square into dx of y is equal to x dx of y plus y. In this case, transfer dx of y in same side and otherwise same. Transferring dx of y will be common, dx of y taking common, y square minus x is equal to y minus x square, transferring, and divide by dx of y is equal to y minus x square divided by y square minus x. That's all. This is differentiation of implied functions. Now discuss the differentiation of implied functions of next problem. Question number 1. If sin y is equal to, if sin y is equal to, sin y is equal to x into sin a plus y, if sin y is equal to x into sin a plus y, then prove that dx of y is equal to sin square a plus y, sin square a plus y upon sin a. Given problem, if sin y is equal to x into sin a plus y, then prove that dx of y is equal to sin square a plus y upon sin a. Solution. Given that sin y is equal to x into sin a plus y. In this case, here the given function is called implied function because not clarify y are dependent or independent. In this case, in this type of problem solving, first we take the value of any variable. Which values of variable taking find easily, means we can say that in this case फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग किसी एक वेरिएबल को ट्रांसफर कर लेते हैं, वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेते हैं, किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू हम लोग फाइंड कर लेते हैं जिस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड कर लेते हैं. In the given problem, the value of x is find very simple. Then we can find x is equal to sin y upon sin a plus y. Differentiating it with respect to x, both sides big. Here differentiation of x in LHS, differentiation of x is 1 is equal to, here differentiation of these functions by numerator by denominator or f1 x upon f2y. Here y is implied function, then the differentiation of y also multiplied by dy by dx. Here sin y differentiation of x, तो differentiation of first function numerator by denominator, first time divided, formula denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by square of denominator. First time sin a plus y into differentiation of y, sin y. The differentiation of sin y is called cos y into dx of y because implicit function minus differentiation of sin y into differentiation of sin a plus y is known as cos a plus y into differentiation of a plus y. A differentiation a equal to 0 differentiation and y is 1 and multiplied by dx of y divided by square of denominator sin square a plus y. Solving this, dx of y will be common, taking common, and these are multiplied in LHS. We get sin square a plus y equal to dx of y will be common, taking sin a plus y cos of y minus sin y into cos of a plus y. Here by trigonometric identity sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. The formula are identified sin a minus b. We get sin square a plus y equal to dx of y in bracket sin a minus b. Here a is known as a plus y and b is known as y minus y. Y will be cancelled out. We get sin square a plus y is equal to dx of y into sin a. Find the value of sin a, transfer, multiplied and divide. We get dx of y is equal to sin square a plus y divided by sin a. That's all. Is this type problem, जब भी इस टाइप कोई प्रॉब्लम गिवन हो, फर्स्ट टाइम जिस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम उसकी वैल्यू हम लोग फाइंड कर लेंगे एंड डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एंड बाय इम्प्लिक फंक्शन वेयर द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ y that functions and solving we get the result. That's all. Next problem. If y is equal to